Mugambithania Onesmus Makau ni atarĩrĩtie thĩna cia ngarama ya kwĩja kuthikĩra magamba Meru kuma Nyeri, akiuga bajeti ya mbeca iria bagaĩri nĩ rwangi rwa ugambithania irĩ nthĩgũrũ mũno, akiuga ethagĩrwo akiumba kwĩja Meru ntuku 18 kendene ya mwaka, igamba rĩa mabisa ba ũgima na thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru rĩkagwetwo kaĩrĩ ntuku ya rũjo kunenkera ntere cio igĩrĩ kanya gũcokanĩria maratasi. Mũthuri Muriuki arĩ nacio tarĩria.
Mugambithania Onesmus Makau gwithwaritite watho atarigite ndene kaunti Meru bachokete ngugine nikendeja kufikira igamba riao na mthayo narua ari kotini ya Meru augite thina imwe ire tumite atija Meru magiteja maingi nikenda kugita magamba jaja athiki mwaka aintiko 18 kiche kuja Meru nondo bathina cia mbeca ire chirwangine rwa mugambithania.
Why I made such strict timelines so that at least I can hear the parties. Because of the budgetary allocation issues, my coming to Nyeri to Meru has been cut by 1 day. So I'm only allocated 3 days every 2 months. And that means I'll be in Meru for how many? Because if you divide a year into 2 months intervals, that is 6 months. And therefore in every 6 months, you multiply by 3, that is 18 days in a year. So you can only have a judge to deal with these matters for 18 days in a year. So when we started to play around with the times allocated, then it means we will never resolve disputes, because when a matter like this is filed, my performance contract requires that I finish it within 12 months. Yet out of the 12 months, I've been given only 18 days for the matters in Meru, not this one. And I don't do matters for Meru here alone. I do matters for Tharaka Nithi, I do matters for Isiolo, I do matters for Embu, I do matters all the way. This count is here. So I have only 18 days to serve you people. So it is very strict timelines which we must observe when we allocate.
Amna bubu akiwa na kumenya Meru na mathina jotongeria ende ngugi yawe ni kuthikira igamba riri aki.
There is a lot being said here about even problems within the government itself. Now the workers are here, and you know that is none of my business. My work is to just hear the opposing side and I make a determination. You know, I have only 3 days, Monday to Wednesday, and I go back. You see me again in November.
Areka mbaliri degiarigitani ugitereketa na mbere mutajo ruju nimemo akirija nterecho ijiri kanenkana mratajere kwenda kana.
Direction says that the second respondent who has not filed the response has 6 hours to file and serve response to the motion. The applicant has leave to respond by 8 a.m. tomorrow morning and serve all the parties. All the parties are also at liberty to file skeleton submissions. I'll be hearing this matter tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. Interim orders are extended till that time.
Ojaje tetena mbere kungena ku muteteji wa Kyoto Celestia Mutuma bene MC Okoroto na Isbora Kinya ibakinyeta ofisini Anthony Njeneru pakenda ofisi je bataurira igamba rya agitirwe ndene kaunti ya Meru tiagi kwinga tambo ndiwani kandi ndene kaunti ya Meru.
Tukwa naro tukuma ofisi ya Anthony General branch ya Meru County atwiketie petition yetu iguru ria orders itekwereka ire cianenkanirwe ni Judge Kassan ni untubwe gamba ria Public Service Board na kiria tukuga orders itekwereka. Number 1 ni untubwa kwithirwo na dissolvere County Public Service Board kiutatinya na sheria na katiba ria yugaga ni ubapati kwa dissolved. That's number 1.
Ukiba kenda kumenyithwo ni kingitumi mbundi eje yebeberetwo na tebo bachiandikite bebongwa na imaiteje kubathithitie
board members baba bakwirwa bakwa dismissed bale ofisine na constitution na kwina sheria ire bekite ofisine na consindete sheria eje akiuga akondissolve mbundi eje kenda ingikathurwa makosa jaria members baba mbundi bathithitie jari ku cha utumwa bengo ofisine yutati na watho mbere tamu yao e ofisi as per the contract yethira.
Number 2, orders iria anenkane direct kire governor tari gambenerere na previously orders tia ku comply with 2/3 gender rule tia nenkane ke county public service board area yoyo ongwa tia appointing authority na twina ukoje bwa kungana public service board ni anenkanire tia advisory kire governor ni kenda komba ku implement orders iu ni unto no appointing authority, lakini surprisingly tukona judge agi introduce apate eterari igambenerere
muthine bakiuga gambitene baria bagitire makamba jaja ibaunite mawatho nkabo ya kiwatho.
Office attorney general turende twira atiri orders iji cia njanji baba bo baire, if these orders are not unconstitutional, irregular, null and void and contravenes Article 10, 27, 47, 73, 75, 174, 201, 232, 235 of the Kenyan Constitution.
So ikio tukoromba obisi Attorney General yombe gutwa rigo advisory na interpretation nikienda batu ja members ba public tukamenya action ire tukajukia iguru ria orders iu na judge.
Muthuri Muriuki, Woro TV, Mutire jwa Kangangi.